Essa é a sua rádio Êxodo. Ei, ei, vamos acordar, porque o sol não espera, demorou, vamos acordar, o tempo não cansa. Ontem à noite você pediu uma oportunidade, mais uma chance. Como Deus é bom, né não, nego? Olha aí, mais um dia todo seu, céu azul louco, hein? Vamos acordar, agora vem com a sua cara, só mais você nessa guerra. A preguiça é inimiga da vitória, o fraco não tem espaço e o covarde morre sem tentar. Não vou te enganar, o bagulho tá doido, ninguém confia em ninguém, nem você, os inimigos, vem de graça. É a selva de pedra, eles magos humilde demais. Você é do tamanho do seu sonho, faz o certo, faz a sua. Vamos acordar, cabeça erguida, olhar sincero. Tá com medo de quê? Nunca foi fácil. Junta os seus pedaços e desce pra arena. Mas lembre-se, aconteça o que aconteça, nada por um dia após o outro dia.
Things the same for gangsters, but I'm a little too famous to shoot these pranksters. All of these rap singers claiming they bangers, doing all sorts of twisted shit with their fingers. Disrespecting the game, no home training the manners. I was doing this shit when you was shitting Pampers. I was moving them grams for you knew what a hand that hand was. Ducking the bands, radars, and scanners. For you knew what hard white the tan was. I was hitting the turnpike, I with the bammers. I was nice with my hands, cause I with them hammers. I was pricking my finger for you knew what a fan was. I had it laid out for you knew what the plan was. 300 mil later, now you understand us. You ain't see us coming to Vegas. You ever seen so much sham busting? One night ran, fucked up one fight. I was on a Peter Pan bus. You was putting Peter Pan up in your room. Y'all fucking with home. Allow me to be taught. Cowards is just now learning the shit that we taught. You niggas ain't know about a ride report. By the high-speed Porsche, i.e. you niggas ain't know how to floss. So I came through the door like Eric B. for press. Respect me in this bitch. You can't disrespect us cause you got a little checkup. You was sucking us so long, talking your little neck up. Now you're too big for your britches. You got a few little bitches. You think you rap, but you just ridiculous. I blew breath in you bitches. I gave life to the game. It's only right, I got the right to be king. Niggas that got life really like what I sing. Cause they know it's really like niggas feel my pain. Know the shit I don't write be the illest shit that's ever been recited in the game. Word to the hyphen in my name. J-A-Y dash Hopper, the past, present, nigga, the future proper. The holy trinity of hip hop is us. We give Dre his props, but that's where it stops. It's the rock.
I know you got your eyes on me. I feel you watching me, but it ain't hard to see that you can't see me. You try, but what you think you saw ain't what you thought you saw. You better off not looking at all.
Top of the game, still dropping flames, still cocking aim, still at the top of the rock for the fame over setbacks. It's been a lot since I came. You seen it all, how I got, how I gained the momentum when it dropped, how I got through the pain. When I rolled a shot, they watched me reclaim the streets. They made a special spot for my name. Straight haters wanna stop to my reign, but the music lives in me, every drop in my veins. The pride and the pain, all the way back from the rise of my name. See the world clear through the eyes of the main. See the world cheer for the rhymes that I gave. When the beat bangs, it'll drive them insane. The eyes that I played, the best to emerge in the game is the watchers.
I know